Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to review and unbox one item that I ordered in Amazon. So, before that, I want you to take a look about these items. So guys, madali lang siyang gamitin. Actually, ito ay maganda para sa mga anak ninyo kasi nga, kahit na iwan nyo na lang, iwan nyo tong notebook sa kanila, ay matututo silang magsulat. Kasi you just try to trace all this dot to connect all together. Yan, so matututo na yung mga bata to trace the alphabet. So now we will try to wipe. Okay. Oh, it's working. And that's great. Did you see that? It's really amazing. Have you seen that? So guys, you will not waste a lot of pages of notebook if you will buy the other notebook or the normal notebook. Mili ng panibagong notebook. It because here you can just write it, trace, and then you can just wipe it. So hindi na masasayang yung ilang pages ng notebook. And meron din tayo dito. Ayan, so blank siya dito. So, yung mga bata is mas madali silang matututo kapag meron silang trace dito. So, tinitrace nila dyan. And then, they're going to write it here. Okay. Guys, it's really amazing. So, yung mga bata is talagang matututo sila sa pamamagitan ng notebook na ito. So, it will helps a lot. So, we try to erase. And look! Wala na siya, na-erase na. So, ibig sabihin guys, hindi mo na kailangan bumili ng notebook ng paulit-ulit dahil sa practice tracing ng iyong anak. Dahil sa notebook na ito is kahit isa lang ang bilhin mo is pwede niyang gamitin paulit-ulit. So, why you need to waste your time? Why you need to waste your money if you have this notebook? Okay? So, dito, itong side na to, pwede kang mag-draw. So, we will just try to draw a flower.
Actually, I'm not good on drawing, but I want to show you only, guys. Okay. Just like that, how I draw. And I will have here. And the petals over here. So this is now the flower. So guys, in this side, ay pwede ninyo drawing na. So pwede kayo mag-drawing dito. Then let's wipe it. See, using this eraser or cloth, you can just wipe it. Simple, very easy. Kahit ilang beses mag-drawing yung mga anak ninyo dyan, ay mamubura at mamubura pa rin. So, hindi ninyo masasayang yung pages ng mga notebooks kasi dito pa lang, kahit dito sila mag-practice mag-drawing, kahit ilang beses, even hundreds of drawings, they can do it here in just one page only. Can you imagine that, guys? And we have also here, so this is practice for writing. So, like, for example, we will write the place.
waiting for? Get your copy now. And I will put the link down below for the order. So you can just click the link below for your first order. Order now and you can try it. And it's really amazing notebook. You cannot see it, this one everywhere. So only here in this notebook, you can do whatever you want. You can write, you can draw, you can trace, you can write your own, you can write and wipe. So it's really amazing. In my part, guys, actually, this is highly recommended, especially for those mothers, right? To all mothers right there, makakatulong sa inyo to write and wipe para matuto ang iyong mga anak. So, hindi na kayo maglalaan ng sobrang daming oras para turuan siya how to trace, because in this notebook, he can do it alone. So, he can learn it also by this notebook. Really, this is amazing. Guys, kung ako sa inyo, mag-order na kayo kasi maganda to. This is not only for the mothers, of course, this is only good for a gift. So, kung meron kayong niece, nephews, friends, your friend's daughter, or the kids of your friends, your brothers, the kids of your brothers, or the sisters, guys, you order now. This is really amazing. This is good for the kids. They will learn. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Bye!